Imagine the tantalizing aroma of a freshly baked, pizzeria-quality pizza wafting through your kitchen, with a perfectly crispy crust and bubbling cheese, all crafted in mere minutes. This PYY Electric Pizza Oven indoor countertop pizza maker machine delivers this dream to your countertop, transforming your home cooking experience. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast craving authentic Neapolitan-style pies or a busy parent seeking quick, delicious meals, this stainless steel pizza cooker is your ticket to culinary bliss. With its sleek design, user-friendly features, and high-performance capabilities, it's no wonder this electric pizza oven is making waves among home chefs. Let's dive into why this appliance deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it can elevate your pizza game to professional levels. Why choose the PYY Electric Pizza Oven? The PYY Electric Pizza Oven isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game changer for anyone who loves pizza or wants to impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes. Designed for indoor use, this countertop pizza maker combines commercial-grade power with home-friendly convenience. Its stainless steel construction, adjustable temperature controls, and efficient heating system make it a standout choice. Here's why this electric pizza oven is a must-have. Unmatched versatility. This isn't just a pizza oven. It bakes up to 12-inch pizzas, pretzels, bread, cakes, pies, pastries, baguettes, and even chicken wings, making it a multifunctional powerhouse for any kitchen. Pizzeria-quality results. With upper and lower heating tubes, the oven ensures uniform heating, delivering evenly cooked pizzas with golden crusts and perfectly melted toppings every time. Time-saving efficiency. Thanks to high heating efficiency and insulation cotton, this oven preheats quickly and bakes pizzas in minutes, reducing wait times for hungry families or guests. Easy maintenance. The wrinkle-black paint finish resists oil stains and fingerprints, while a removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup, keeping your kitchen pristine. Customizable cooking. Adjustable temperature settings, 0 to 572 degrees, and a timer with an alarm allow you to tailor cooking to your exact preferences, whether you're crafting a thin crust Neapolitan or a hearty deep dish pizza. Solving common cooking challenges. For home cooks, achieving restaurant-quality pizza can feel like an uphill battle. Standard ovens often fall short, producing unevenly cooked crusts or soggy centers. Outdoor pizza ovens, while effective, are impractical for those without backyard space or in colder climates. The PYY Electric Pizza Oven solves these problems with its compact, indoor-friendly design and high heat capabilities. It reaches temperatures up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for creating that coveted crispy charred crust without the need for wood or gas. Say goodbye to long preheat times and inconsistent results. This oven delivers speed, precision, and flavor in a sleek package. Who is this pizza oven for? The PYY Electric Pizza Oven is perfect for pizza enthusiasts. If you're passionate about crafting authentic Neapolitan, New York-style, or deep dish pizzas, this oven's high heat and uniform cooking deliver professional results. Busy families. With quick preheat and cook times, it's ideal for parents who need to whip up delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Apartment dwellers. Its compact size and indoor-friendly design make it a great fit for small spaces where outdoor ovens aren't an option. Entertainers. Impress guests at dinner parties or game nights with freshly baked pizzas, pretzels, or desserts, all customized to their tastes. Versatile home cooks. If you love experimenting with recipes, this oven's ability to bake everything from baguettes to chicken wings will spark your creativity. Why it's worth the investment. Priced competitively for its features, the PYY Electric Pizza Oven offers incredible value for home cooks seeking restaurant-quality results. Compared to pricier models like the Breville Pizzaiolo or Univolt, it delivers similar performance at a fraction of the cost. Its durability, ease of use, and versatility make it a long-term investment that pays off in delicious meals and memorable gatherings. Whether you're hosting a pizza night or baking a quick weeknight dinner, this oven delivers consistent, high-quality results that elevate your culinary game. Tips for getting the most out of your PYY Electric Pizza Oven. Preheat thoroughly. Allow 15 to 20 minutes for the oven to reach the desired temperature for optimal crust texture. Use a pizza peel. A wooden or metal peel Makes sliding pizzas in and out easier and safer. Experiment with settings. Try different temperature and time combinations to perfect your favorite pizza styles. Keep toppings light. Avoid overloading your pizza to prevent soggy crusts and ensure even cooking. Clean regularly. Remove the crumb tray after each use to maintain the oven's pristine condition. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.